This is another unusual vacuum in my collection. It's a Hamilton Beach Deep Clean. I got this from the basement of a vacuum shop a few years ago, and it's pretty rough. The back wheels were missing, so I had to get new back wheels for it. And what's interesting is that whoever owned this vacuum before me attempted to replace some of this vacuum's broken parts with Kirby parts. This is actually a Kirby hose that somebody configured to fit this vacuum, and this cord, whoever replaced the cord on this vacuum replaced it with a Kirby cord, and this right here is the dead giveaway for that. Obviously bags for this vacuum these days are virtually non-existent, so I had to make my own bag for it. As you can see, that this is a Kenmore paper bag that I kind of just folded in, and you know, it works perfectly fine. There was a filter in there, but it totally fell apart, disintegrated. Again, that's something very common to happen in older vacuums, for the filter material to fall apart. I actually have the manual for this in the back of my basement, which I think is kind of interesting, but I think this vacuum was made, I think maybe the late 50s, or early 60s, based on the manual that came with this vacuum, which I'm going to assume is the original manual for this vacuum. Again, the bearings are a little bit noisy, typical of an older vacuum cleaner, and the vacuum, even disregarding the noisy bearings, the vacuum actually has a very unusual noise sound to it. So I don't know what kind of motor this vacuum uses. I originally thought it would be a lamp motor, but now I'm not exactly sure what motor this vacuum uses, because it doesn't sound anything like any other vacuum I've ever used. It could just be the bearings, but it might be more than that. This is actually the original floor tool. Unfortunately, I don't have a carpet tool, so I just have to use the floor tool. So here is the Hamilton Beach. So that is the Hamilton Beach Deep Clean. It has decent airflow, although I wouldn't say it's as good as in airflow as like maybe an Electrolux or a Kingston Royal Canister of the same era. But again, decent machine, very quirky. You definitely don't see them as often as maybe an Electrolux. So that is the Hamilton Beach.